naye nga bwe tubulayo ennaku entono tulonde buli pologulaamu yange yonna nabagamba nja kugikolerangamu. Kakati ekizibu kyemulina mu Uganda nti midiya yammwe era nga bwe badzeekolera bwe maliriza. Bobi Wine yatukoledde ekintu kimu alese adisuyinza institutioni zonna ekyo mukubirako mu ngalo.
Bobi Wine atiyazemu.
Bobi Wine has destroyed all the institutions.
Mbadde manyi has exposed the challenges.
No. Kati media nfu, bannaddiini bafu, traditional institutions zonna nfu azirese ku ttaka. It will give us an opportunity to build new institutions. In fact, my latest book, which I'm going to release immediately after the elections, is going back to the drawing board. The title yako. Kakati gwe sooka olabe. Olaba amawulire gano. Nti bano abakubi b'ebikonde akwane details baali bagenda kukuba bikonde bweru. Does it mean nti bw'oba ogenda kuba bikonde bweru nobeera involved in a crime, do you attain diplomatic immunity? What if bagenza okuba ebikonde ebweru ne babasanga nga balina enjaga? You can't get a license because you are going for an international tournament. Is it the reason why you should involve in criminality? The issue that these boxers locked up in election fight, not because they are criminals. The man goes ahead to tell you 3 boxers had scheduled fights this month. What doesn't God kill people who are going for their wedding? The Bagole don't die on the even during.
So Ogamba, it was his fate.
Yes,
it is their fate.
Hey, kakati bw'oza omusango ndi kuba ogenda kubeera mugole. It could be bw'olaba kino bakiggyeeyo nti baakola ebintu bino nga bamanyi this will be the verse. Those of us who have lived in the media for a long time, there was only one gynecologist. That gynecologist was working in Rubaga Hospital. The man was called Charwaz. Charwaz was arrested in connection with the treason. And the late Kasirye Gwanga was the key witness. Chirimutu. Kakati at that time, his lawyer urged that many women were dying because of the absence of this man. That time we used to have judges who were real judges. The judge said, but didn't he consider his importance to society before engaging in criminality? Should we create a precedent that if somebody is going to a tournament, he will commit an offense, and because of this commitment, how many times do we get medals from boxers, from other people, that we cannot forego? Omulamuzi yagaana. Bw'oba oli bayita batya yali bamuyitanga Dr. Charles bamukwata ne bamukwatira mu bakiri mutu baali baminisita nga baagala kusuula Museveni, Kayiira, Dr. Lwanga, Kasirye Gwanga yabatega ne Evariste Nyanzi ne bamukwatiramu. Omulamuzi yagaa nti kiki ti abakazi bafa nnyo omusajja bamute. Yabaga nti lwaki yayingira mu criminality. The issue would be expedite his case so that we find him innocent or not.
True.
Can't government find another gynecologist? Bw'osoma akatabo kange
katabo kyako
bakayita killing a medical doctor to save a cobra.
Killing a medical doctor to save a cobra.
Era singa oyo omwana agenda mu motoka n'akanoonyaamu kaliko ekifaananyi kya byandaala.
Is it one of these ones?
Kaliko ekifaananyi kya byandaala. Nabagamba ti once upon a time there was one cobra in the whole city of Rome. As the celebrities conducted themselves, the man was indisciplined. He used to snatch people's spouses and fight in the bars. And in the process, in one of the blows, he killed a person, was arraigned before court. Kati omulamuzi yali amaze kusalawo n'abuuza omusajja do you have anything to tell court in mitigation? Musajja abatanayogera kubula musajja nawanika omukono mu court. My lord, I have something to tell court. Proceed. But this is the only Kubla in town. His demise means that we shall lose his services. Kubanga bw'ogenda mu Roma oluguudo lwa Roma be basooka okukola enguudo. Kakati bw'oba toyina ngatto mu winter tosobola kutambula. Ate mu musana era tosobola kutambula nga toyina ngatto. This is what made the Kubla very important. Kakati musajja n'agamba omulamuzi n'amugamba but the Roman justice is clear. Whoever kills a person must be killed to satisfy the spirit of the dead. Musajja n'adda waggulu n'agamba nti yes, that's the explanation. But the Roman justice does not say that the person who killed must be killed. It says a person must die. In this case, we can save the Kubla and kill an innocent man. Ulira andi mwe kyekibakola obubi bwe ngendo nkola ki bino bye tulimu bijja kakati nkugambe nti omulamuzi kyava agamba katuteyane nti doctors are very many, grab one innocent doctor mumutte. Why? Abaloma kuva dda basawo. Italy yesinza abasawo bungi ne Cuba. Kyovolaba n'ekigambo kye tuyita Caesarean ekiri mu lusawo nti omukazi bamulongoosezza ye Emperor Caesar maama we bamulongoosa. Abaloma baali bagunda nebaga tutte dokita ali innocent. Kakati this newspaper once says these are innocent people and they have engagements. Yes, why the issue is not whether you have engagement, not at all. Kakati no gyosanga ono. This is a government newspaper. I know you. We call it a misnomer. Is it a government or not? It's a misnomer. A misnomer in mass communication is something that is taken or considered to be when it isn't. Akugambye money given in days to polling. What does this mean?
Money given days to polling.
Government releases
2.5 billion to political parties.
Why now? This is bribery. Elections are going to be nullified. Ate mpulidde obuvubuka obwo obubbi. Omanyi Museveni yasibye ssente zaabo n'abo mu emirimu. Ono video nva bulaba nga kagamba kabadde kalina kukwogera naye ne kamugamba ffe ekitukubya stories zino. We want to be relevant to Museveni and give us money. These stories are manipulated by this group of thieves. No, it is important. It is important. You are talking about crimes. Crimes zijja kubeerawo. But
no one is talking about
this means bribery and nullification of the elections. If political parties, apart from NRM, had smart leaders, they would reject this money.
But is it okay for them to receive the money?
When did you bring in money? When did you bring in money? Kati ono olupapula lwa government. Obuvubuka buno nkawulidde kana kayina entwe bwete kana kayina entwe. Nga kayina kwogera naye. Nga kagamba we are publishing negative stories because Museveni refused to give us money. We are polluting the media because he should give us money. Kana kayina obutobo kali bwebuti. Kakati ino story nullifies elections. Bino bimugambe bibibanja temuli.
How does it nullify the elections?
This is bribery.
Are they supposed to receive the money?
This is a headline. Kankusomese. This is a headline. This is a kicker. Kano tukaita kicker mawulire. Akugambye money given days to polling.
Sente baziba wadde ng'enaku mbali okulonda. Anti nkubuuza, is it okay for them to receive the money?
Era omulenzi ono n'asigala ng'era enkyakomawo mu mawulire. Era n'akomyawo obugaalubindi bwe. Oyo Kayija abayamba ki? Kayija. What's the role of Kayija in New Vision? Oyo daughter wammwe.
Nze tabaki wako kibuuzo tokizeemu. Nkubadde nkubuuza, is it okay for the political parties to receive money or lwakuba sente zizere?
Ante nkugambye nti when you go to nullification, when did you give money? Days before. Chenabagamba. You cannot arrest Bobi Wine's alleged conduits for money when a newspaper, like a Monitor, reveals in its headline that the government has released 35 billion. It means money is needed in the election. Why do you block Bobi Wine when you have also released the money? I think I never know Kolotia. Olokubagana mawulire nga sigaabwe baagawamba dda. Alina gwe yawa ssente mbw amukolera amawulire. Nalowooza mbw nze ajja kumpamba nfuuke embwayi. I cannot work for you. I cannot give you what stuff. Ate nkubuulidde ne bwe baterikoodinze. Obaka gundi bajja kugamba omwana kadi just I'm running out of time. I can do without recording. Yes. But what I want to explain that all of these cases of land you want me to discuss are not important as nullification of election. This is a government newspaper.
Katandikira wenyini. Yabule naku satu Uganda ebenge salamu kugenda
bolete ebyobusiru jagenda soko omule byabusiru soko leke. This is important.
I'm introducing
tunulira omusajja tunulira ono tunulira Bukedde look what Bukedde
atabadde
Bukedde mulaba Bukedde kyaliko minister ayina wano niwakyabinalimu tebalumba kasajja kano nga kafuluma olaba akasajja kano bwe kawandiise akasajja kano kalaba bwe kawandiise neba Jose Museveni laba kakugambye Kibuule Nantaba Mayanja Ssenyonga akalulu kabatuyanya kakati bwonoonya bano bonna balina linkage ne gavumenti wabula yo nnamboozi bano bo batuufu nnyo.
Why is the problem?
Tetuyinza kukkiriza busiru tetusobola kukkiriza busiru nga buno ne busaasaana mu nsi. Tetuyinza kukkiriza busiru bw'abasajja bano nagano nyinza okukayuza. Yes, but let me tell you,
you're a writer, you have a couple of your books.
Amawulire wagasomera. You see, let me educate you. That's not news. One of the reasons of a newspaper or a media,
but you must accept what you did.
One of the roles of a media is disseminating information. In mass communication, information means facts. The moment a newspaper, that's why we have mainstream newspaper.
There are people who don't agree with what you write, but do they treat your content like that? No, do they treat your content like
that? Mainstream newspapers and gutter. These are gutter. This is a gutter newspaper. This is gutter. Between a broadsheet and a tabloid. Red paper you can accept. A broadsheet and a tabloid. Twitter mainstream media and gutter.
The way you term them,
it should not be allowed to saturate because information in mass communication means the facts. These are not the facts. This is manipulated. This is a gutter newspaper.
The way you define it, there are people who define your books as propaganda, but they don't treat your content like that.
Naye tetuyinza kuddira busiru ne busatuleetinga nga ffe abamanyi nti akasajja nga kano akagenda okutuddiza mu elekisoni enkya ne kakeera n'engalabi yaako ne kayingira. Kayija abayamba ki? I saw the president praising Kayija. Where is Kayija here? Kayija abayamba ki? What's the role of Kayija here?
Tetuli ku page em njala tukwataga ne tutandike program.
Wewe
mzeta mechi ja utandika nacho kiri wekito oli mwami muzadde olina abaana abo trainings wekitwa kubana you're very passionate. Waliwo n'omu awagira people power oba NUP.
I have freedom in my family.
Wamugana okwengaginga into campaigns. Yeah, into violence.
Yes.
Kindeseza kino mu week eno nyenye tugenda okumaliza olunaku olwaleero. Bob Wine yakutte abaana be n'abatwala mu United States.
You don't know what he's doing.
Ekyo kikola amawulire mpaka wetwogerera.
And you don't know what he's doing.
Nga gwe omuzadde njagala kwebuuzaako. What do you make of that?
You don't know what he's doing. Let me tell you. Look what Bobi Wine is. Look what Bobi Wine, the way he was being treated by security forces before Afende Muhoozi took over special forces. Is it a worse situation or is it a different situation? When would he take his children away? Under this situation or the previous situation when the bullets were flying over his head? That's very important for intelligent people. When Muhoozi took over special forces and Birungi was sacked or transferred somewhere else, the security situation surrounding Bobi Wine improved. And I was happy. Why? Because in the media intentionally, with the influence of somebody, was creating an impression that the battle was between Muhoozi and Bobi Wine. So whoever assassinated Bobi Wine, the responsibility would be taken or backlash on Muhoozi. When Muhoozi took over, he said, okay, even previous, I said, it is incumbent upon the government to provide the security for Bobi Wine. Why? There is a third force which does not want elections to go as they are. A third force can kill Bobi Wine, and I gave you examples. If somebody brings my book about Bobi Wine, the recent one, I gave you examples. Say the government must provide the security for Bobi Wine, because if Bobi Wine is assassinated, you cannot say that the government does not take care. Government has a responsibility to provide the security for us. Bobi Wine was humiliated at the premises of the Electoral Commission. Did he withdraw?
Immediately after nomination.
Did he withdraw?
Upon.
Kati yafunye yo humiliation yagende kayunga essasi limuita ku mutwe. That's important. Why does he? Because every decision is purposeful. I'm only speculating. That's very important. That the government, the president responded to American concerns and changed the command of the special forces that were operating inside the police force.
Was it in the interest of the
Americans? That's why abazungu tebapiningaga Ochola. They knew that the police had two independent units, eyamaje gyatadumira neya police. So America bwe bapressurizing tebakwata ku police. There was only one policeman, so bamuyitani oyo gwe bajja okuyolanga n'abaana be baleme kuddayo mulabako ye yajjanga yekitweki. Kakati kugamba since then security around Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine had even a privilege okumuleetera mu helicopter okumujja Kalangala. Had he gone with an helicopter? Kakati the situation improving under Muhoozi or is worsening? That's up to the people to decide. I have also credible information that the American government has documented close relatives of people in the government to be deported from Canada and the United States. When you see people running away, he is facilitating this deportation. Yes. Yeah, you know.
How are they connected?
Hey. Andi kakati mubona kakati kyogamba nti bana ababano abali ebweru tebasobola kuhaminga badduka wano okimanyi kati buli adduka afuna pote kansayiramu if Bobi Wine can take his children it means anybody who can go to the American embassy and the European
ask for
and get immediately you get a visa. But if you are sending away people you are creating a very difficult situation for your opponents. It will really be wrong for the Americans and the Canadians to round up your people and send them here.
Mzee, was it understandable okutwala abaana bo kubajja wano okubatwala mu America?
Your decision ye nabono gwekweka budduse nakati bwina meeting in the cell bukankana busula kisugu bwe buvaayo kati busula ntebe bwagala kudduka ate mudduka kite wali nyenyeja kuva ntebe bajja buyolera wano bulenzi mwe bajja bakwatira wano. Everybody is panicking except some of us. Why do I panic?
Is there a reason to panic?
Me I know. Me I know. Bukedde is stressing. Ekiri mu kibuga abakambwe bayise mu kibuga Ugandans can only resort to violence in 3 cases only. If there is a foreign hand. Ngamu nkaga mwebiri, nkaga munkaga, Britain wanted by all means to defeat Benny Chiwanuka. Then you can have 2 state-inspired violence. This is why during the UPC government, the people who were committing atrocities were UPCs with party activists and supporters. Why? They did it with impunity. Bali bamanyita bagenda backward. In 1962 to 66, abakabaka ikabatemanga ebitooke nga balayira kabaka. They knew impunity. Kakati Museveni bwe yajja mu buyinza, the first message to be sent to the population, do you know that Zizinga was arrested?
When was that?
Zizinga was arrested because his guards beat up a thief. Zizinga was arraigned before court and she was acquitted. At that time, we have 4 prominent women. Hajati Mukwaya, Captain Njuba, Narweso, and Zizinga. Zizinga had lost 9 children during the Bush War. So, kakati, what had happened? Okuva kwolwo mukimanyi nti amakomera ga Uganda gajjudde abeerosi. The Euroseas cannot commit offences without anti babasiba babba ebibanja ne bakola ki Museveni sent a warning. Kakati in absence neyo riot ewedde. They were given Ugandans to go on a riot. They must be given money. 2, the good thing, we are engaged.
Remember, if you're saying Ugandans to go into
ekyokubiri fe tuli mu private sector.
Remember Ugandans to go for a riot. They must be facilitated. Are there no reasons enough for them to go?
A Ugandan cannot go on a strike on his own. I'm telling you. Ne bw'obalaba basimba ebitooke mu luguudo, wabeerawo kampuni ekola enguudo ng'ekolaganye n'aba district basimbemu enguudo. I'm telling you, Ugandans don't riot. Why? Tebasobola. Ani nkubuulira, the safeguard is Ugandans 90% we are involved in the private sector. Do you believe nti omusajja atwala ennyama ye enteeze azireete mu Lufule Kampala ayagala riot, ayagala abawuka ebipiira mu kkubo? Omusajja aleeta amatooke ge ng'agaleeta Kampala akola mu wino. Abasajja abantu ba Uganda wano Kasiita yatwala abasuubuzi ne beediima.